Hello friends, welcome back to statistics classes. Let us work out a problem on Poisson distribution in this video. Look at the question on the screen. If a random variable x follows Poisson distribution such that probability of 1 is equals to probability of 2. That means px of 1 is equals to px of 2. That means the answer for P1 and P2 both are same. As they are mentioning the equals to symbol there, P1 is equals to P2. But what is the answer of P1 and P2? That is not given in the question, but only the relationship between P1 and P2 is given here. That means they both are equal. Probability terms. We are talking about probability terms. Now, the questions are find the mean and the standard deviation. Question number 1 is they're asking us to find the mean and the standard deviation. While studying the features of Poisson distribution, we studied the formulas for mean and standard deviation. That is, mean is equals to lambda and standard deviation is equals to square root of lambda. So we know the formulas for mean and standard deviation. To solve mean and standard deviation, first thing we need is we should know the value of lambda. ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಒಂದು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಮೀನು ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಡಿವಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಈಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಟರ್ಮ್. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಟರ್ಮ್. First probability term means in Poisson distribution or in binomial distribution that should be P0. The first term begins from P0 and you should not confuse. First probability term andre P1. No, that's not P1. That's P0. Always the first probability term should be P0. So ಎರಡನೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ನಾವು P0 ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1ಗೆ ಮೀನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಡಿವಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತಹ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ P1 is equals to P2. P of x1 is equals to P of x2. So let us expand this. P1 equals to P2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. In a Poisson distribution, P1 ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ what is the equation or formula we use? That is the probability mass function of Poisson distribution. That is P1 if you expand e to the power of minus lambda into lambda to the power of 1 divided by 1 factorial. That is the probability mass function formula for Poisson distribution. E to the power of minus lambda into lambda to the power of x. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ x 1 ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ you should take lambda to the power of 1 divided by x factorial. So P1 x equals to 1 ಆದಮೇಲೆ divided by x factorial ಅಂದರೆ 1 factorial. In the same manner, if you expand the Poisson distribution formula for P2, that should be e to the power of minus lambda into lambda to the power of 2 divided by 2 factorial. So when you are expanding for x equals to 2, the formula also lambda to the power of x andre lambda to the power of 2 agate divided by x factorial means that will be 2 factorial. Once you expand this P1 and P2, P1 is equals to P2, therefore the expanded formulas for P1 is equals to P2 ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈಗೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, you can just cancel. That means in P1 you have e to the power of minus lambda. In P2 also you have e to the power of minus lambda. When you transfer one item from one side to the other side of the equation, that is right side ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ e to the power of minus lambda, if it is transferred to the left side, that will become minus e to the power of minus lambda. Therefore, one plus component and one minus component. Instead of transferring, you can just directly cancel it like e to the power of minus lambda. Illu kuda e to the power of minus lambda ide. They both gets cancelled. They both gets cancelled. And you have lambda to the power of 1, lambda to the power of 2. Lambda to the power of 2 ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, lambda square ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, lambda into lambda. In the first case you have lambda to the power of 1, that means single lambda. Here you have lambda into lambda. Therefore you can cancel one lambda here, you can cancel one lambda here. Therefore, 1 lambda will be there. Lambda to the power of 1 andre single lambda is there. ಈ ಕಡೆ lambda to the power of 2 ಅಂದರೆ lambda into lambda. So 2 lambdas are there. 1 lambda gets cancelled. Now, see, left hand side what you have, you cancelled e to the power of minus lambda. Lambda to the power of 1 also cancelled. That means there is only 1. Now, when you cross multiply this, 1 into 2 equals to 2. ಈ ಕಡೆ e to the power of minus lambda cancel ಆಗಿದೆ. 1 lambda also cancelled. Another lambda is there. Therefore, lambda into 1 is lambda. So the answer you will get lambda equals to 2. Observe very carefully. When you are expanding P1 is equals to P2, both the sides iruvantaha lambda to the power of, e to the power of lambda, e to the power of lambda on both sides gets cancelled. Lambda to the power of 1, lambda to the power of 2. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಇದೆ, 1 ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, 1 ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಹಾಗೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 2. ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದಟ್ ವೆರಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲೇಷನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 2. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮೀನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮೀನಿಗೆ ಪಾಯ್ಸನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಮಗೆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 2 ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. Therefore, the answer should be mean is equals to lambda is equals to 2. Lambda is 2, mean is also 2 because mean itself is the lambda. Now, and also they are asking us to calculate standard deviation. The formula for standard deviation is square root of lambda. That means square root of 2. So, if you remove the square root for 2, it will be 1.414. That is the standard deviation. So, we got mean and the standard deviation of this. Going to the second question, the first probability term, that is you should calculate P0. So when you calculate P0, e to the power of minus lambda to the into lambda to the power of 0 divided by 0 factorial. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, e to the power of minus 2 into 2 to the power of 0. Because x value is 0, lambda value is 2, e to the power of minus lambda and e to the power of minus 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಂಟು ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ 2 to the power of 0 because x value is 0, we are calculating 0. So 2 to the power of 0 is 1 divided by 0 factorial, that is not having any value. e to the power of minus 2, e to the power of minus 2 ಮಾತ್ರ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. If you go to the Poisson exponents table and find the value of 2, lambda is 2, therefore if you see the exponents table 2, you will be having 0.1353. Poisson distribution in exponents table ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ನೀವು ನಂಬರ್ 2ಗೆ 0 ಹಾರಿಸಾಂಟಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ 2 ರೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ 0 ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಪಾಯ್ಸನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಟೇಬಲಿನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 0.1353 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. I have already shown the Poisson exponents table to you in the last videos, and also I have sent you a copy to your group. Therefore, you can find the table there. Our table alli value tagondre you will get 0.1353. So that should be the answer for P0. So in entirety the solution should be, they have asked 2 questions to calculate mean and standard deviation in the first question and the first probability term. By just giving a condition that the P1 is equals to P2 ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಕಂಡೀಷನನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಬೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾನ್ಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲೇಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್. Go through the steps one by one, and if you have any doubts, please contact me.